Example number 6. This is page number 98 of Arya Book Depot class 8. Example number 6 is saying find the square root of 1521. Example number 6, 1521. So we will take the prime factorization of this. That means 1521 is equal to 3 into 3 into 13 into 13. So find the square root. The square root of 1521 is equal to 3 into 3 into 13 into 13. That means 3 square and 13 square. That is 3 into 13. That is 39. Example number 7. Find the square root of 784. 7, 8 and 4. So 7, 8, 4 we will do here. 2 times. Then 2. 2, then 7, 7. So 784 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. So root under 784 is equal to root under 2 into 7. That means 2 square into 2 square into 7 square. That is 2 into 2 into 7. That is 28. Next is example number 8. Example number 8 is saying find the number which should be multiplied with 245 to obtain a perfect square. Find the new number and also the square root of number so obtained. Question number 8. 245. So 245 we will do here. 5. So 245 is equal to 5 into 7 into 7. Here we can see 5 is unpaired while 7 is paired. So what makes this set of multiplication paired? If we multiply by the 5, this will be equal to 5 square and 7 square. So answer is 5. When we multiply by the 245 into 5, then it will be 5 square into 7 square. So root under this is equal to root under this, that is the 35, and 245 into 5, 245 into 5 is equal to 1225. Example number 9. Find the number by which 3872 be divided to obtain a perfect square. Find the square root of number obtained. 3872. So 3872 So here we can write that 3872 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 11 into 11. That means only these two is not paired, otherwise paired numbers are there. So if we multiply by 2, we will get the answer of this number. So as a pair of 2 is incomplete, we divide 3872 by 2 to obtain a perfect square. So question is find the number by which we divide it to obtain a perfect square. So when we will divide 3872 by 2, we will get the number 936. Now root under 1936 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 11 into 11. That means 2 square into 2 square into 11 square. That is 2 into 2 into 11. That is 44. So the square root of resulting number 1936 is 44. Example number 10. Example number 10. The area of a square is 7 to 9 square meter. This is 9. So this is a square. Area of a square is 7 to 9 square meter. 7 to 9 meter square. So find the dimension of the square. That means we have to find out its sides or edges. So we have to find out the root 7 to 9. Then 7 to 9 here. So by 3. Again. So we can write here 379 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. That is equal to 3 square into 3 square into 3 square is equal to 3 into 3 into 3. That is 27. So the dimension of a square is 27 meter. So dimension of square is equal to 27 meter. Next is example number 11. Example next is example number 11.